Hi. So things are now working, and we're going to review. Okay. I had to get rid of two screens. I think pixeling is correct. And some of these things, I don't know, you shouldn't be upset. You're in a programming class. You're working with the highest end technology to make things work and get things done. So I think you understand now. You're going to come in and you're going to hit play. You have to hit play. I ran no errors. Well, something would screw up and you'd send it to me if something was wrong. But before you always do that, don't go and hit code block 4 and not run code block 1. Our entire structure runs from top to bottom. So if you screw up your own code, if you screw up, go restart. That's what you need to do. So then I gave you hit play, video 1, video 2, video 3. I'm now working on video 4. But I'm adding a few new things in here because if I ask you to insert a code block, what am I asking you to do? I'm asking you to go and put in your name, and then I'm asking you to put in an answer. That is your job. And once you put a name and answer in, I'm in full screen mode right now, then you're going to go to full screen mode. Over here is the arrow to enter and exit full screen mode. Once you do that, you hit save. Okay. If you go and write some long stuff and you don't hit save, that ain't my fault. That's your job. You're a programmer now. So that's what you need to do. These other videos talk about, whether you want to be in Corgi mode, non-Corgi mode, power, sparks on the screen, and all that. But the main point of this final introductory video is to show you about using screen sizing. So I went to just one computer and I'm moving in and out. Okay, I'm moving in and out. And I'm preparing you to come and use terminal. This is where the badasses hang out. Everything is done in terminal. Alright, so you have a very accessible means of learning to use high-powered programming. We're now going to go down through the rest of it. I don't know to what extent this video will be complete with extra detail, but what I'm asking you to do, and I'm asking you to do this tomorrow, it's 9/27, is go run each code block and insert a code. Okay, you're going to run each code block. It's going to pull up something. Okay, you're going to start from top to bottom. You're going to listen to it. These are all 1 to 2 minutes at most. 3 minutes at most. And then you're going to put your name, and you're going to put an answer. All right? This is like a 30-minute exercise. So, but it shows me that we are now in a working state. So, thank you for your time. My tone will calm down. I've been stressed about this. This is kind of like a new environment. And I don't leave any of my students behind. I just don't. So, you now have a new environment. I had to, spend X amount of time on YouTube, whatever. But now we're going to move forward, and what I'm going to show you is I'm going to have little videos talking about now what these things are. Okay? Now, the button in the screen, if you do have a Chromebook, is use Gemini. That's there on purpose. I can't get it to turn off. Don't use Gemini. Okay. Bye.